Hey guys, this is Vijay Surya from TechLoop. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to make this type of circle loop animation in Blender 2.8. If you want the project file, link is in the description. You can go through it and download it from my blogger. So without any delay, let's get into Blender. So now we are in Blender. First we have to add a cube to this animation. After adding a cube, go to wireframe mode and add a modifier called solidify. Now increase the thickness and now copy this modifier and make it as you like. Here it is better to me. So now I'm going to add another modifier to this animation. Go to modifiers and add a wireframe. And now go to rendered view and add a new material to this animation. And now add a emission to this animation. And now add a color to this emission and increase the strength to 50. So now we have this cube. So now we are going to animate this cube. Go to modifiers. So now insert a keyframe at first frame. And now go to 60th frame. Here I am using 120 frames for this animation, so I am choosing the 60 frames. So now play with the animation. And now I am inserting another keyframe. And now go to the last keyframe and enter the number which we have entered at first frame and insert it. So now see the animation. It's very cool. Here I am not done with this. If you see the video, some cool effects are going on the sides of the cube. So now we are going to add that effect. So go to solid view and add another cube and make it large over the cube. So now we have to add a new material to this cube. Bring the roughness all the way down and increase the transmission. And go to the material settings, turn on screen space refraction. And now go to rendered view. If you didn't get this type of cube, go to render properties and make sure you have turned on screen space refraction and make sure you have turned on refraction. Select the cube and click shift and select another cube and click Ctrl P and click on object. So now we can animate this cube very easily. Now go to object properties At rotation 0 degrees on x-axis, add a keyframe at first frame and make it 360 and add a keyframe at last frame. Here the cube is rotating on only x-axis. So now I am going to add a movement on y-axis also. So now do the same process, add a keyframe at 0 degrees on first frame and make it 360, add a keyframe at last frame. Now see the animation. It's perfect. Don't worry about that blurriness in the cube. After getting render, it will be normal. So now add a camera to this animation and render this and enjoy your animation. If you like this animation, give us a big thumbs up. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Before leaving my channel, please subscribe to the channel and make sure that the bell icon is activated.